Hello and welcome to this plugin showcase of ButtonWarpRandom 1.3. In this video I will show you the new features of ButtonWarpRandom. In the previous video I showed you how to create a random warp and teleport within a given radius. Well, today I will show you how to include or exclude biomes in your teleports. So as you can see, I'm in a different map as before. I changed a few things. So if you watched the previous video, which you probably should when creating a warp, you noticed I kept teleporting to an ocean biome and I didn't like that. So I created the option to include or exclude specific biomes. If you want, for example, to teleport within a given radius but don't want to teleport in an ocean, you can exclude ocean or deep ocean biomes. Or if you want to teleport to a specific biome only, for example taiga or forest, you can include those biomes. And that's exactly what I did here. So I have a savanna plains teleporter, I have a roofed forest teleporter, I have a desert teleporter, a forest plains teleporter, jungle, Mesa, ocean. So yeah, it supports the 1.7.2 biomes, and will support future biomes as long as you enter the names correctly. And yeah, it's really cool. So let's try the savanna teleporter. So as you can see, I am teleported to the edge of a savanna biome, and that was really fast. I would recommend using world border or something like that to render your world. It's always faster if you have to teleport to a already generated chunk than that Minecraft has to render it first. So I really would recommend rendering all those chunks in the given radius. So yeah, that works. I'm going to try something else. Warp teleporters. Let's try the Mesa biome now. I like that biome. Cool. Jungle. Wow, I never seen those maps. Okay. So Mesa biome. So let's try this. It should teleport me to, yeah. So this is a Mesa biome. I added a few biomes to that teleporter. For example, it would teleport me to a Mesa biome, a Mesa plateau biome, a Mesa mountains biome, just so it doesn't only teleport to a Mesa biome, because Mesa mountains is also a Mesa biome, but it has a different name. So yeah, this works. So let me show you how to create this. MV spawn, I think, yeah. So the basics are actually the same as before. You just use BBR make, the name of the warp, the minimum and maximum radius, and yeah, you now have a random warp. But if you want to add extra features to it, you have to use BBR set, as you can see here, BBR set. And for now there are four options you can change. You can change the excluded biomes, the included biomes, the minimum and maximum radius. So my map is 4,000, so I'm going to change the maximum radius to 4,000 because I used 3,000. So I'm going to do BBR set the name of the warp test, the maximum radius to 4,000, and it has been changed. So if you do BB info test, it shows you 4,000. And I only want to teleport to a, let's say, taiga biome. So BBR set include test include taiga. For the correct names on of the biomes, because sometimes you have to use underscores, you can find them on the site or on the project page, or in the configuration. So BBR set test include taiga. Little warning here, don't use rare biomes in your include. So I've noticed that some people try to use a random warp of a mushroom island within a radius of 100, and the biome just wasn't in that radius. So you have to make sure the biome is in that radius. Else it won't crash because there's a safety in it, but it will decrease the server performance and efficiency. So again, don't use rare biomes, or use multiple biomes like I do, not only Mesa but Mesa Mountains and things like that. There will be an option in future versions to use catching, so you can catch all the warps, like 100 warps of that specific teleporter, and yeah, it catches it, but that's not included yet. So yeah, let's test it. BBR test. It should teleport me to a taiga biome, and it, as you can see, it says taiga. It doesn't very look like taiga, but it is taiga. It's definitely taiga. Again, taiga. I fixed the bug where players teleport into the ground, but due to some bugs in Minecraft and Bucket, I can't really ensure that it won't happen again. So it's a glitch that happens sometimes, and the best way to fix this is to render your map. So just use world border to render the space where your warp will teleport to, and you won't have this issue. So yeah, that's actually everything for this video. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed. For our MineSecure players, this is the new map. Sorry for the downtime, but yeah.